Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. Both are important sources of long-term finance for companies, but they differ in many aspects such as conversion option, interest rate, ownership impact, risk, and return. Let us understand these differences one by one in a simple and easy way. Number 1. Convertible debentures can be converted into equity shares of the company, whereas non-convertible debentures cannot be converted into shares at any time. Number 2. Convertible debentures provide investors with a conversion option, whereas non-convertible debentures do not provide any conversion facility. Number 3. Convertible debentures generally carry a lower rate of interest, whereas non-convertible debentures usually offer a higher rate of interest. Number 4. Convertible debentures offer both fixed income and capital appreciation opportunities, whereas non-convertible debentures mainly provide fixed income only. Number 5. Convertible debentures involve moderate risk because of their equity feature, whereas non-convertible debentures are considered more secure investments. Number 6. Convertible debentures may dilute company ownership after conversion into shares, whereas non-convertible debentures do not affect ownership of the company. Number 7. Convertible debentures increase equity share capital after conversion, whereas non-convertible debentures do not change the equity share capital. Number 8. Convertible debentures are usually rated lower due to conversion uncertainty, whereas non-convertible debentures often receive higher credit ratings. Number 9. Convertible debentures are preferred by investors seeking growth along with income, whereas non-convertible debentures are preferred by conservative investors seeking stable returns. Number 10. The market price of convertible debentures is influenced by share price movements, whereas the price of non-convertible debentures mainly depends on interest rates and credit quality. Number 11. Convertible debentures are generally less liquid in the market, whereas non-convertible debentures are usually more liquid. Number 12. Convertible debentures normally have a longer tenure, whereas non-convertible debentures usually have short to medium-term maturity periods. Number 13. In convertible debentures, the principal amount may not be repaid if conversion takes place, whereas in non-convertible debentures the principal amount is repaid on maturity. Number 14. Convertible debentures are issued mainly to raise long-term growth capital, whereas non-convertible debentures are issued to raise funds for general corporate purposes. Number 15. Convertible debentures reduce the cost of capital for the company, whereas non-convertible debentures generally increase the cost of capital due to higher interest payments. Number 16. Convertible debentures include special conversion terms and conditions, whereas non-convertible debentures have simpler terms without any conversion clause. In simple words, convertible debentures combine the features of debt and equity, while non-convertible debentures are pure debt instruments that provide fixed returns and greater security. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.